Hello, we're back. We're going to solve another one-step equation. This one actually has or involves adding negative integers, so I did want to model that for you. All right, so we're looking at x plus 3 equals negative 18. So I know a number plus 3 equals negative 18. So this is something that you can't naturally just do right off the bat mentally. I mean, you can with a lot of practice, but if you're just getting started with one-step equations, then that might be a little bit difficult. So as we practiced before, we want the x to be isolated and we want it by itself. So we need to add something to 3 to make it 0. And so we will add negative 3 to 3, or subtract 3 from 3. And when we do that, that becomes 0. But whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we need to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 3 from this side. And to keep my work neat, I'll draw a line right here. And so now what I'm going to do is, I know that I bring my x down, bring my equal sign down, and there's nothing over here to bring down because these have canceled each other out. And so now I've got negative 18 plus negative 3. That's the same thing as negative 18 minus 3. Now, if you'll remember, when we solved or when we were adding and subtracting integers, we made a t-chart to help us with this. So negative 18 would go over here. Oh, my negative 18 doesn't look so pretty. Let's try it again. All right, and we've got negative 3. Now they're both negative, and remember, when they're both negative and they're on the same side of the t-chart, all you do is you add them. And so 18 plus 3 is 21, and because they're both negative, you keep it as a negative, and so this becomes negative 21. If you want to look at this in a different way, negative 18 plus negative 3 is another way that you would look at this, still equaling negative 21. You could also see it this way, negative 18 minus 3. In either case, will be negative 21. My lights went out. All right. So we elaborated just a little bit because I wanted you to see the different ways that you could see negative 18 plus negative 3 and solving it using a t-chart. Thanks for watching.